Sing Joe, everyone. Vietnam Steve here, and heading out for some duck Miến tonight. Miến is like glass type noodles, and have I got a good one for you. I'm going to try and film as much as I can. They always have it quite noisy in here, but let's see what we can get hold of. This is a tasty little treat. It's the first thing I had when I landed back in Ha Long a month or so ago, and I'm really going to enjoy this tonight. Come on, let's go. Sitting on these little chairs, but I am a large guy, so there is some worry about chair strength and Vietnam Steve weight. But if I all of a sudden disappear below the camera, you know the chairs. I'll turn around this way. It's these blue signs. So this one here is one shop, and this is the other shop, and we're just sitting on the footpath here between the shops. What's coming is glass noodles, and it's holiday time in Old Ha Long, so it's quite busy. Don't actually like turning my back to the traffic, so let's see what turns up. Difficult to film when it's very noisy, but I'll give it my best shot for you, my trusty viewers. Here we go. We have duck goodness, and in the bottom of here this is pho. Any noodles? Oh yes, glass noodle. So it's like pho, but we have the glass noodles. Very delicious. I didn't get a chance to film, and a few condiments. I didn't get a chance to film the whole process because a couple of friends of mine turned up, and we're all having dinner together now, including this one. Oh, hello. It's a bit of a surprise because the guests have not ordered the noodly thing I've got. We've got chicken chopped up here with some sauce and salad. This is going to be a great dinner. Surprise, surprise. That little kitchen there churns out 500 meals a night. Off she goes with the chickens. She's making them here. Next door, antique shop. So the Ngàn is a very good duck restaurant. I'm going to give it the Vietnam Steve 4 motorbike seal of approval. Get on your motorbike, get down to this restaurant. Very nice fresh food, no Vietnam belly worries here. And the other thing is, every time I go to film a meal, I've run into some friends here this particular evening, so I couldn't really film what we were eating. We're having a good chinwag, but it's good to get out on the streets, and hopefully I'll be bringing a little bit more of the streets to you in coming days. But this one gets the Vietnam Steve 5 motorbike seal of approval. Look, I know some of you have been worried that man can't live on the main course alone, so After dinner we ducked to the Hatta Fine Dessert Cafe, and I'm going to have a big bowl of ice cream in here. So stick with me and let's see what culinary delights they serve up here. Matcha ice cream with some sort of jelly fruits. That is going to be absolutely delicious.